Education is a gift that none can take away. A very good morning, dear students. Welcome to Math class. Unit 1 Numbers. In previous classes, we have learnt definition of rational number, standard form of rational number, compare the rational numbers between any two given numbers. Today, we are going to see about how to add rational numbers. Do you remember what is the standard form of rational number? Yes, it is a fraction form. A rational number is p by q form. The denominator q is not equal to 0. How do we add, subtract, multiply and division of rational numbers? Let us see how we add rational numbers. We will learn the operations of addition of rational numbers. Addition of rational numbers carried out in the same way as that of addition of fractions. If two rational numbers are to be added, we should convert each of them into a rational number with the positive denominator. In addition, we divide the rational numbers into the following two categories. When given numbers have same denominator. Number 2, when denominators of given numbers are unequal. Remember, how do we add two rational numbers? First step, make the denominators same. Second step, add the numerator over denominator. Third step, simplify to standard form. First case, when given numbers have same denominators. In this case, we define a by b and c by b are two rational numbers. Here, b is the common denominator, so we can add the numerator, that is a plus c by b. Let us see one example. Add 3 by 7 and 56 by 7. Solution. Here 7 is the common denominator for both numbers, so we can add the numerator. So 3 by 7 plus 56 by 7 equal to 3 plus 56 by 7. So 3 plus 56 is 59. That equal to 59 by 7. 59 by 7 you cannot reduce. Therefore 59 by 7 is already in standard form. So this is the answer. So 3 by 7 plus 56 by 7 equal to 59 by 7. Second case, when denominators of given numbers are unequal. For example, add 5 by 6 and 7 by 9. Here these two are unlike fractions because the denominators are different. In this case, we take the least common multiple, that is LCM of their denominators, and express each of the given numbers with this LCM as the common denominator. Expressing 5 by 6 and 7 by 9 into forms in both of them have the same denominator 18. LCM of 6 and 9. So here 3 table, 2 3s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Then 2 1s are 2. 3 we cannot divide by 2. So as it is we have to write. Then 3 1 comma 3 1 is 3. Then LCM of 6 comma 9 is, the factors are 3 into 2 into 3. That is 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Therefore the LCM is 18. First fraction 5 by 6. We are going to make the denominator as common denominator. So 5 by 6. 6 3s are 18. So we are multiplying 3 by numerator and the denominator. So 5 3s are 15 and 6 3s are 18. So the first fraction is 15 by 18. Then the second fraction 7 by 9. The denominator is 9. How many 9s are 18? 2 9s are 18. So we are going to multiply 2 with the numerator and the denominator. That is 7 2s are 14 and 9 2s are 18. So the fraction is 14 by 18. Add numerator over denominator because the denominators are same. So 15 plus 14 by 18, that is equal to 29 by 18. Therefore, answer is 5 by 6 plus 7 by 9 equal to 29 by 18. Let us see one more example. Find the sum minus 9 by 16 plus 5 by 12. Here also the denominators are different. So we are going to take LCM. LCM of 16 and 12. So 2 times 8 2s are 16 and 6 2s are 12. Then 4 2s are 8 and 3 2s are 6. Then 2 2s are 4 and 3 we cannot divide by 2. So as it is we are writing. Then 2 1s are 2. 3 as it is we are writing. Then 3 1 comma 3 1 is 3. So LCM of 16 comma 12 is, the factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 16 3s are 48. So now we can take the first fraction. So LCM of 16 and 12 is 48. Take the first fraction minus 9 by 16. 16 3s are 48. So we are multiplying 3 with the numerator and the denominator. Plus 5 by 12. That is the second fraction. 12 4s are 48. So we are multiplying 4 with the numerator and the denominator. Minus 9 into 3 is minus 27 by 48 plus 5 4s are 20 by 12 4s are 48. So minus 27 by 48 plus 20 by 48. The denominators are same. So we can write the common denominator as 48. So the numerator is minus 27 plus 20. These two are different signs. So different sign means we are going to subtract and write the greater number sign. So 27 minus 20 is 7. The greater sign is minus. So minus 7 by 48. Therefore, minus 9 by 16 plus 5 by 12 equal to minus 7 by 48. It's time for homework. Exercise 1.2. Find the sum. First subdivision is 7 by 5 plus 3 by 5. First sum is first method, that is a common denominator. Then second subdivision is 7 by 5 plus 5 by 7. The second type, the denominators are different. Take LCM and do the calculation. Then third problem is last example. That is 6 by 5 plus minus 14 by 15. Here also denominators are different. So take LCM and do the homework. Students, I hope you all have understood this topic. Thank you, children. Stay home and stay safe.